Kasson Keller's double-hung windows are a popular choice among northeastern homeowners and business owners. They're durable, energy efficient, and best of all, they're easy to clean. In this video, we'll show you just how easy it is to get your double-hung windows sparkling without even having to set foot outside. Ready? Let's get cleaning. First, unlock the security locks on the window sash. The sash is the movable part of the window that sits inside the frame. Double-hung windows have two sashes. Now, raise the bottom sash about 4 inches. Kasson double-hung windows have two vertically sliding sashes that allow you to really customize airflow. Each of these movable sashes has two tilt latches. Tilt latches allow you to tilt the sash in so that you can clean the outside of windows from the inside of the building. Using both hands, disengage the bottom sash tilt latches at the same time. While holding the latches with your thumbs, gently pull the top of the sash toward you until the latches are clear of the frame. Holding the top of the sash, continue to lower it until you pass 90 degrees. This will lock the balance shoes and secure the sash in place. To tilt the top sash on the double-hung window, lower it about 4 inches and follow the same procedures. With both sashes securely locked, you can easily clean the window panes no matter what floor of the building you're on. Once you've finished cleaning, simply swing the sashes back up and push the top of the sash gently until the tilt latches snap back into their original positions in the side jambs. Want to learn more about the features that make Kasson double-hung windows so popular? Click here for more information.